I finally decided to buy a new circular saw and replace my old Ryobi 5.5 inch. Now just fresh out of the package, a Milwaukee model numbers 2834-20, and I'm going to compare those two and see how they cut. Now to be fair, it's not really a fair comparison. This is a different size and it's probably not even set up correctly anymore. You can hear the way it sounds. While this new one is just a whole different level. All right, nonetheless, let's see how they compare to each other. So as you can see, this didn't really work at all. I didn't even get through a foot on this 11 inches on this 1 inch thick board.